Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Taufik Nanda. Today I will tell you about what is Tangerang City. Okay, there is a logo of Tangerang City, and there is a logo of Banten. This is the slogan of Tangerang City. The slogan is healthy and competitive. Okay. Tangerang is a city located in the province of Banten in Indonesia. The city is located just west of the capital city of Indonesia, namely is DKI Jakarta. The original tribe is the Sundanese Bantenese. In the 2021, the population of the city Tangerang is 1,853 and 462 with a density of 1241 people per kilometers. Tangerang is the largest city in Banten province and the third largest in the greater Jakarta area after Jakarta and Bogor. In addition, the police in the city are also on par with Jakarta, Depok, South Tangerang, and Bekasi, where the police are based in the jurisdiction of the Polda Metro Jaya and the defense area of the Kodam Jaya. This is the Metro Jaya logo, and there is a Jayakarta. There is a Kodam Jaya logo. The independence struggle. In October 1945, Laskar Hitam, an extremist Muslim militia, was founded in Tangerang. The aim of this movement is to establish an Islamic state in Indonesia. This movement later became part of the DI or TII rebel group. On October 31, 1945, Laskar Hitam kidnapped Otto Iskandar Dinata, the Minister of State of the Republic of Indonesia, possibly killed in Maub, Tangerang on December 20, 1945. After Indonesia Declaration of Independence, there were riots in Tangerang. Anti-Chinese group attacked the Chinese in Tangerang because they thought that the Chinese supported the Dutch government who was trying to regain control of Indonesia. This is the logo of Laskar Hitam, and the below is the face of Otto Iskandar Dinata. Okay. After Indonesian independence from 1981 to 1984, Soekarno-Hatta International Airport was built in Benda, Tangerang. The airport is located in Tangerang, but is known as Cengkareng Airport. Cengkareng is the name of sub-district in West Jakarta, which is adjacent to the airport. So the location of international Soekarno-Hatta International Airport is in the Tangerang, but there are some parts where the part located is in Cengkareng, Jakarta. And in August 1996, Walmart, the largest retailer from the United States, opened in its first branch in Indonesia in Lippo Karawaci, Tangerang. Unfortunately, the branch was looted and burned in the May 1998 incident. Walmart stopped their investment in Indonesia after the raid. So, the supermall Karawaci is the first mall in Tangerang. You can see this. If you go there in supermall Karawaci, the mall Karawaci is around the circuit of Tangerang. Next, the geography. Tangerang City is located on the northwest area of Banten Province and is on the north side of Java Island. Astronomically, the city is located 106 Celsius 33 until 106 Celsius 44 is longitude and 606 Celsius 05 until 6 Celsius 15 south latitude. Tangerang City has an area of 153,9 km. So Tangerang City is a big city because the area is so far. The city of Tangerang is crossed by the one of the rivers in the west of Java, namely is Cisadane River. This river is an inseparable part of identity of the city of Tangerang. The headwaters of this river are located on the slopes of Mount Salak and Mount Parango, Bogor. So, the river is from Salak Mountain, and then down until the Tangerang. The mythology of this river, there is, if don't try to swim in that river, because there is a white crocodile in there, live in Cisadane River. Territory boundaries. So the territory of North and West Tangerang Regency is Kabupaten Tangerang, and the east of territory is DKI Jakarta, and the territory of South is South Tangerang and Tangerang Regency. This is Tangerang, South Tangerang, and this is the Alam Setar Statute is in the, what is name? I forget. I'm sorry. The topography. Topographically, Tangerang City is mostly located at an altitude of 10 until 30 meters above sea level. Okay, the whole area is in the lowlands. The northern part of the city, covering of the Benda district, has an average height of 10 meters above sea level, while the southern part of Tangerang City has a height of 30 meters above sea level. Furthermore, Tangerang City has a land slope of 0 until 3% and a small portion, in the southern part of the city, with a slope of between 10% until 8% is located in Parung, Serap, Paninggilan, and Cipadia. Okay, Parung is the city. No, the city is a regency, maybe. Oh, Parung is the district. The located is in South Tangerang. The climate, based on latitude, Tangerang City is the tropical climate region, and according to the Köppen climate classification, most of the Tangerang City belongs to the M category, which is the tropical monsoon climate category. High rainfall in Tangerang City usually occurs from early December to March, with monthly rainfall above 200 mm per month, and low rainfall usually occurs from June to September, with a monthly rainfall of less than 100 mm per month. Annual rainfall in the Tangerang City area range from 1,000 until 2,000 mm per year, with the wettest month being January and the driest month being August. And the average rainy day in Tangerang area is 120 to 180 rainy days per year. The air temperature in Tangerang City per year range from 23 Celsius until 34 Celsius. The relative humidity level per year in the city varies between 76% until 85%. Okay, you can see this is the climate data for Tangerang, Banten, Indonesia. There's a month like January, February, March, April, May, and the other. And this is the highest average, and average daily, lowest average, precipitation millimeter inch, average rainy day, percent humidity, average monthly sunshine. This is search from BMKG. The Representative Council. The following is the composition of the Tangerang City DPRD members in the last two periods. Like this is the political parties like PKB, Gerindra, PDIP, Golkar, Nasdem, VFD, PPP, PSI, PAN, Hanura, Demokrat, and the other. There is a number of seats in period like the 214 until 219 period, and 219 period until 224 period. There is a number. This is explained about the political process. There's number of members, party numbers, and the other district. Tangerang City consists of 13 sub-districts and 104 urban villages with an estimated population of 1,651,428 people in 217 and an area of 100,000 of 153,93 kilometer with a density of 10,728 people per kilometer. The list of the sub-district and the sub-district in the Tangerang City is as follows. Like, this is the Ministry of Home Affairs Code, and there is a district, number of village, and village list. Like, in the Batu Ceper district, there's the number of village is 7. Like Batu Jeper, Batu Jaya, Batu Sari, Big Garden, Polis Gaga, New Polis Jaya, Polis Jaya 1. And the other like Cipondo is the district, and the number of village is 10. Like Cipondo, Beautiful Cipondo, Prosperous Cipondo, Bangis, Memories, Ketapang, Lightning, Polis Pelawat, Beautiful Polis Pelawat. And I live in Tangerang. I don't know because I'm confused where I live at Cipondo or Batu Ceper am I. And the economies. Tangerang is the center of manufacturing and industry on the island of Java and has more than 100 factories. Many international companies have factories in the city. Tangerang has a climate that tends to be hot and humid, with a little forest or other geographic areas. Certain areas consist of swamps, including the areas around Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. So, Tangerang is a hot city. Don't forget about that. In recent years, Jakarta's urban expansions has encompassed Tangerang, and as a result, many residents commute to Jakarta for works, or vice versa. Many middle-class and upper-class satellite cities are being developed in Tangerang, complete with shopping centers, private schools, and mini-market. The government is working on developing a toll road system to accommodate the increasing traffic flow to and from Tangerang. Tangerang was once part of West Java province, which changed to 2000 separated itself and became part of Banten province. So Banten province is the new province that born at maybe 200. Education. Tangerang City has around 1,623 schools, 256,361 students, and 38,527 teachers. This college like BINUS or Bina Nusantara University, Budi Dharma University, Pelita Harapan University, Swiss German International University, Yusuf Islamic University, and another. Elementary school like Asyukriah, SDN Tangerang 6, that is my school, my elementary school. SDN Tangerang 3, SDN Tangerang 3, SDN Tangerang 1, Dalukuran, and any other. Junior high school like SMPN 1 Tangerang, SMPN 4 Tangerang, MPTSN 1 Tangerang, SMP Bonavita, SMPN 2 Tangerang, and the other. So, this is the SMP 1 and SMP 4 is the favorite school and the favorite junior high school in Tangerang. And there is a senior high school like SMAN 2 Tangerang, SMAN 3 Tangerang, SMAN 6 Tangerang, MA Halusna, SMAN 4 Tangerang, and the other. And for the senior high school, favorite school is the SMAN 2 Tangerang. Hospital. Tangerang has many hospital, but I choose just 4 in this slide, like AMC Hospital Tangerang, Hermina Hospital Tangerang, Sari Asih Hospital Karawaci, Mepada Tangerang, and the other. There are so many hospitals in Tangerang. What I can say it in here. Public transportation in Tangerang, we have some transportation. Like we have transition and cairo station, we have bus station, we have an airport. So if you go to Tangerang, don't worry about your trip, because if you want go to the other city, you can go with KRL with KRL station, but KRL it just for Jabodetabek, or yes just for the Jabodetabek area. So if you want to another province or another city, you can go with bus station, with bus. We have a lot of bus station. And if you want to go to another country, you can go to international Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. Tourism. Tangerang has a lot of tourism like shopping place, culinary place, and attraction. Shopping place. Tangerang has many shopping centers, ranging from simple to luxurious. A well-known hawker center is the Old Market, which is located in the center of Tangerang city. The Old Market serves various foods from the Babakan area to the Tangerang Grand Mosque area. This area has various variants of snacks. During Ramadan, this area is often crowded with visitors every afternoon looking for dishes to break their fast. So, if you go to Babakan, they sell the food for iftar for the Muslim people to break their fast. As an urban residential area, Tangerang City has many shopping centers, be it traditional market, hypermarkets, or luxury shopping centers. Several shopping centers in the form of mall in Tangerang City include like Summarecon Mall Serpong, Lipo Mall Karawaci, at Alam Sutra Mall, Tang City, and Ion Mall. The Summarecon Mall Serpong is a unique mall because Summarecon Mall Serpong is divided by three parts of mall. If you go there, there's a widen the widen is like this: the first mall, the second mall, and the third mall. And if you go to at Alam Sutra, you can see the Ninja Warrior area. The Ninja Warrior area sometimes located at Alam Sutra Mall in Tangerang. Culinary place. The city of Tangerang, besides being famous for its tourism, also has many special food. Some of the places that have become a typical city Tangerang culinary are located in Tangerang Old Market. Some of these food are typical of Chinese Tangerang, peranakan such as asinan, mata kotak, roast pork satay, mie pasar lama, laksa Tangerang, daktim, pork poi sauce, bakcang, soy sauce, and amping jengkol. Other signature dishes are 10 dua cobra and 10 sigap kakawan, which serve satay of lizard, snakes, and monkey. Oh, it's interesting because the 10 dua cobra and 10 sigap kakawan it serve the anti-mainstream food like lizard, snakes, and monkey. It's a dangerous animal. And here are some typical foods of the city of Tangerang, including: first is besan vegetable. Sayur besan is a typical Tangerang food which is always served when the groom's parents come to the bride's parent house at a wedding ceremony. The name is ngabesan. So the vegetable is called sayur besan. Gecom, toge, and oncom. Gecom is probably more famous now with the name fried toge. So this is a toge. We just fry in a pan. And there is a pindang badan. Despite the many spines, milks, fish are still hunted. This is because the meat is savory, so familiar to the taste of milk. Pindang is a traditional cooking term that refers to a soup. This simple dish is seasoned with shallots, garlic, chilies, salam, garangal, ginger, and turmeric. Another seasoning that can be added is with soy sauce, and the sour taste comes from vegetable starfruit or tamarind that is burned. And the last is the laksa Tangerang. Laksa Tangerang is different from Betawi or Malaysia laksa. So we're not trying to steal the Betawi traditional food and the Malaysian traditional food. The main ingredient of laksa here is a kind of vermicelli, but it is thick like spaghetti and made of rice. Then these ingredients are poured with laksa sauce, which is cooked from green beans, potatoes, coconut milk, and chicken stock. In addition, additional free-range chicken or eggs are also provided. Before serving this dish, it is given a sprinkling of chopped chive leaves. There are two types of laksa Tangerang, namely laksa Nyai and laksa Nyonya. Laksa Nyai is made by the native of Tangerang, while laksa Nyonya is made by the Chinese Peranakans in Tangerang. And if you want to eat this laksa, you can go to the laksa kuliner. The location is on Jalan Muhammad Yamin, Tangerang City, precisely in front of the women's prison. When I come to there, the taste of laksa Tangerang is so sweet, it's so delicious. You must try it if you go to Tangerang. Attraction, which is with its status as satellite city supporting the capital, Tangerang City does not have many tourist area. However, there are many hotels available in Tangerang City because of its strategic location to Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. Tangerang City has several tourist attraction and festivals, namely like Watergate Dam, Ten, Blue Lake, Benteng Chinese Peranakan Cultural Heritage Museum, Al-Azhar Grand Mosque. Al-Azhar Grand Mosque is the biggest mosque in Tangerang. Ahmad Yani Square or Tangerang City Square, Situ Cipondo, Portrait Garden, Cisadane Festival, and the other. And this is the Ahmad Yani Square. Ahmad Yani Square is a destination place in Tangerang City. You can do every sport like running, futsal, basketball, badminton, and the other. And beside the Ahmad Yani Square, there is a place. What is name? The Taman Prestasi. Now, the garden it's useful for you or the student, like for doing some homework, like play some games and the other. And this is the picture when alun-alun Tangerang, Kota Tangerang before renovation. And now that alun-alun Tangerang has been renovation. Portrait Garden is one of destination in Tangerang City. Like the name, you can take some photos in here with a good view and good statue. Like if you go to beside, if you go to beside in right side, you can meet the Jam Gede Jasa. Jam Gede Jasa is the biggest clock tower in Tangerang City after Banjar Wijaya Clock. You can find it in the next Tangerang City Mall. Like the name Gede Jasa. Gede Jasa is the Sunda language, and the means is the biggest. It's so big. And the right side, you can see the butterfly and rabbit garden. Butterfly and rabbit garden is the garden of rabbit and butterfly. You can take photos with rabbit. You can play with rabbit. You can feeding the rabbit and the other. This is the Fortes Stadium. Benteng Stadium is a stadium located in Tangerang, Banten. The stadium is used to hold football match and is the home of two teams from Tangerang, like Persita Tangerang and Persikota Tangerang. That is both of them is a good team. The stadium can accommodate 200 people. Yes, because the stadium is so big. This is the Lipo Village International Circuit. The first international standard highway circuit in Indonesia is located in Tangerang Regency. In addition to offering the concept of family entertainment, the 3.2 km long circuit was originally planned to be A1 and Formula 1 racetrack. The circuit is the second international circuit in Indonesia after the Central Circuit. On August 29, 2008, the circuit began to be built. Decided by Hamad Taik, this part of the circuit used land around Pelita Harapan University and Lipo Supreme Mall. The circuit was used for several local championships, but after that, it was never used again. So this is the track is like this, and this is and next in the next this circuit there's a Lipo Mall, and you can see modern golf course. Modern golf course is located in Tangerang District, Tangerang. Not only golf, this golf area also provided bungalows and various sports facilities. Like when I go there, I play futsal in there, I play badminton and swimming. They have a swimming pool. And and this is the GOR Dimyati Tangerang. The Dimyati Sports Building GOR is located on Jalan Adimyati, Sukasari, Tangerang. This building is usually used for sporting events such as DBL Tangerang, Semanita Club, etc. Imagine bro, DBL is start in here. No start. DBL is use this GOR for the match. And thank you for you, and thank you. That's all from me. Dasar saya is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you in Tangerang.